Alright guys, welcome back to this learning module on how to begin creating our first dashboard. Okay, we're going to cover first three kinds of visuals in the dashboard. Okay, so we're going to cover slicer, we're going to cover cards, and also a pie chart today. Alright, so let's begin by creating a slicer. Alright, let's go to this visualization tab here and we go to slicer. Let's click on it and we can see there's a visual that has been created on our page here. Alright, let's go to fields. Under fields toolbox here, we go to sheet and we're gonna check on this box here and we can see that our slicer has been added into our page here. Alright, so let's resize this a little bit. Now the next visual we are going to create is the card visual. Okay, so now on the visualization toolbox here, go to this card and we click on it. Okay, sorry, let's just quickly undo this, okay, by selecting Ctrl and Z button. Okay, and we're going to click on the page first. Okay, so right now we can see here this is still actually selecting on the slicer option here. Okay, so let's click on the page here so that we are now referencing on the page. Okay, now we select on the card, let's click on it. We can see we have a card visual here. Now we're gonna drag in our sum of total value inside our card visual. Just check on this box here and we can see now our card is filled with our sum of value here. Okay, let's add in some formattings to this KPI box here. Okay, we're gonna go to this format here. Okay, click on the KPI card here and we go to format. Okay, next what we're gonna do, let's give our KPI box a title. Let's toggle this on and then there's a drop down here. Let's just click on it and here we can add in the title text. Let's add in total sales. Alright, so what we can do next is we can actually move our text title to the center. Okay, let's align it to the center and next what we can do is let's close this drop down here and we go to our background. Alright, now we can also change the background color here. Let's put in a color. Alright, so our background color has been changed. We can actually add in the border as well. Okay, so just switch our border on and we go to the drop down here. For the color, let's select a dark blue color. Alright, now let's click on the page here and we can see our border has been added into the KPI box. Okay, now for this KPI box here, our title needs to be a bit more larger because this is the grand total for our sales. Alright, so let's give this KPI box a little bit more bigger. Let's just click on this KPI box here and we go to formatting. Let's go to our title and we're gonna give our title a bit more extra text size here. Okay, so this looks good here. Now we don't want this value here. Okay, because we already have a title here, so we can turn off our category label here. Alright, let's just turn it off. Yeah, this looks good. Alright, perfect. And now we're gonna add in our pie chart, or sorry, the donut chart into our page here. Alright, now for our donut chart we can actually add in our products here and then we can go by our sum of value. Okay, So this will be actually reading some of our sales by product. Okay, let's put it on here. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Let's move it over. Okay, this we can also, for the KPI box, we also can make it bigger, but we doesn't need to make it too big. Okay, it's not very pleasant. Let's just give this a little bit more space on top. Okay, let's give it a little bit of margin here. Alright, and yep, this looks great. Let's give the Doughnut Chart a little bit of margin. Alright, so now we can see if it doesn't select on our products here, this will actually give us the sum of our total sales by all of our products. Alright, and yep, that's all for today. Thanks and bye bye.